Is your mom single?
Oh, is my mom single?
Yeah.
I don't. I mean, she's a hoe and she don't know how to keep her legs closed. So, you can try her if you want to. Talk by yourself.
What's up YouTube? It's a boy Ty here, and I'm back with another video for you all. Yo, how have you guys been? I've been posting regularly. I hope you guys are liking the videos that I'm putting out for you guys. Now I'm back with another prank call video, another call video where I call random people, you understand me, and give some trouble. Now for this video I'm about to call random people and ask them if their mom is single, because I'm trying to hit. You see me? I'm single and I like moms, basically. That's what I'm gonna say. So we done. Hello?
Dear Tyreek, you need to get out the car and stop making videos in my car. You're taking too much time in my car. I know it's something you're doing, but it's not yours. Get out my car. Tyreek, work for your dream, boy. Don't stop the YouTube, okay? Remember, me tell you that. Don't stop. Get yourself a car, money, everything.
Oh boy. You know what? We have changed location. Because I don't want anybody to get on my head. Isn't it? I'm back with the video now, guys. Alright. So I receive a call, blah blah blah. Mommy this, mommy that, blah blah blah. I don't really give a damn. I'm just trying to do my video and try to be myself. Yeah. YouTube, please take care for me. YouTube, wanna subscribe and like the video and share the video with a friend so we can get some money and move. Anyways, we are about to call random people, and it's simple, asking them if their mom is single. Understood? So if I call you, I'm gonna be like, yo, is your mom single? I'm trying to hit. Anyways, let's get straight to it. Using Ola app again. As I said, I don't like Monkey app. Monkey app is trash, and I'm using voice call. Volume up. Alright. And ready? Ready. Hey, what's up? Hello.
Hi.
Hi, is your mom single?
Is my mom single?
Yeah, is she single?
Boy, if you don't get...
You want to know my mom's single?
Yeah.
Hey, Mom! You tell us if you're single. Your face is single. What? Mikey, shut up. That just gave it away. That's home. That's not a secret. Tell him if you're single or not. No. I'm old. He's old enough to be your boyfriend.
Wow.
Wow, what?
Is she single? She's not?
No, she's married.
Ah! Next one. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Is your mom single?
What?
Is your mom single?
Why?
Just want to know. I'm curious. I'm more from mom guy.
Okay. No, I don't know.
Really? Could you check for me?
You can find her, yeah, maybe.
Really? Are you single?
Yeah.
Damn. Ah. Hey. Sorry. Nigeria. Hey, what's up?
I'm good.
Is your mom single?
Yeah.
Can I get her? what's up?
Hello.
What's up?
Say one for more conversation.
Hey, what's up? Hello?
Bitch, shut up.
Huh?
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, Kelsey.
Hello.
What's up?
Hi.
Is your mom single?
Nothing. Just laying here. I'm done.
I'm saying,
Huh?
is your mom single?
I am single.
Your mom.
No, she has some. No, my mom has somebody.
Oh. Okay, I'm not interested in you. I'm interested in your mom. You used to like it? No. It don't taste good. It just tastes good. Hey, bro.
What's good?
Yo, is your mom single, bro? Hey, beautiful. Hello?
I'm looking for a baby daddy for my sis kids. Period.
Wait, is your mom single?
Huh?
Is your mom single?
Is my mom single?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'm more of a mom person. I'm not interested in you, your mom. So, is your mom single?
Big.
Come on, baby. What's up, beautiful?
What's up?
You seem sexy. Yo. Is your mom single?
Huh?
Is your mom single?
Yeah.
Can I get her?
No, because she's speaking.
You just said she's single. I'm not interested in you. I want your mom.
My mom? I don't care if you're not interested in me. She is my mom. She don't date young boys. Sorry.
Hey, fat ass.
What's up?
I'm here.
Hey, get your asses off of me.
Huh? Hey, is your mom single?
What's up?
Is your mom single?
No. Is my mom single?
Yeah.
I mean, she's a hoe and she don't know how to keep her legs closed, so.
Okay.
You can try her if you want to. Fuck by yourself.
Let me get a shot at her then. What's up? I'm trying to fuck. What's up? Ooh. Hey, beautiful.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Tengo 18.
¿Qué?
Va. What's up? That's big. What? What's up, beautiful?
Hello.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm here. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Missouri.
Missouri.
Yeah. Hey, real question, real quick.
Do you like living there?
Yeah, is your mom single, by the way?
My mom?
Yeah.
My mom?
Yeah, your mom.
It's not nice. It's not nice. No. So what you gonna do with it now?
My mom's married, stupid.
Are you married? What's up, YouTube? Yes, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as you can see, my little issue at the beginning. I had a little issue at the start of this video, but you understand, I'm gonna make my video regardless to put out for the entertainment of your guys, to entertain you. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Let the video go viral. I'll see you all in another big video. Peace.